So the exception to the pinch grip rule is when you're doing katsuramuki, it's okay to hold the knife in sort of a Western pinch grip, if you will. In this case, when you're doing katsuramuki, your wrist is in a neutral position. Cutting through hard vegetables, in this case udo, with a single beveled knife is difficult. It's difficult to keep the edge moving in a straight direction as you cut. So using a push cut and dragging is a much easier way to produce straight cuts instead of pushing all the way down like this.
John, what's this cut for?
This is a seasonal cut, really only used in May this month. It's called Ayame Udo. And it's Ayame is the iris flower, which is a seasonal flower in May in Japan. And this cut looks like the flower.
Right, yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Well, this garnish can be used for otsukuri or sashimi preparations, as well as soup garnishes or grilled dishes as well. Yeah. Then we can soak them in a little bit.